Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today I'm very excited to show you a 2024 Harris 230 Grand Mariner that we just unwrapped. Absolutely beautiful exterior here with the white and then the black stripe down the center here. We also added in the black powder coated fence railing, which really ties in well together. You can see here we have our dock lights on. This has the complete lighting package underneath the rub rail and then up here on the ion tower. Sports tower does fold down at a push of a button as well. And as we're making our way to the swim platform, what you really get on a Grand Mariner is this nice extended swim platform. Our ski tow bar is going to be up here, and this has the Mercury 250 horsepower V8. So lots of power and lots of fun. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Welcome inside, starting here on the stern of the boat. As I mentioned, on the exterior, we have a lot of room to move about on this extended swim platform. As we make our way inside, this is the traditional center walkthrough, seating on either side with storage underneath these compartments. What I really like about Harris is the seats, when you open them up, they're not going to fall down. They're on a hinge, which is really nice, keeps everything secure underneath. Cup holders and storage on either side as well. And then we do have our armrest right here and cup holders if you want to kick back, relax, and watch what's going on behind the boat. A newer color for Harris is the chestnut brown upholstery. This is a pillow top. It's really soft and comfortable, and it looks really nice with the woven teak flooring that we have here as well. Walking up to the helm, captain and co-captain seating, high back, super comfortable, and they both swivel and adjust. Our co-captain seat over here does have storage spots, cup holders, and places to charge your phone. All right, so coming to the helm, you can see here, this is a raised helm, so you're gonna have tons of visibility when you're out in the water. Since we have the 250 Verado on the back there, this comes with the digital throttle and shift, so it's gonna be very responsive and easy to operate. Tilt steering wheel here, standard tacks and gauges on either side, and then our Simrad display screen. So engine diagnostics, chart plotting, everything's going to be very accessible and easy to use here at the helm. And then our JL audio, so great sound quality across the boat. You can change your music up and have different zones. Depends on how you want to use it when you're on the water. The ion tower, I mentioned this on the exterior, but at a push of a button, it will fold down if you want to store it or put it underneath the lift. And then also comes with a key fob, so very easy to use. And then on the port side, as we make our way to the bow, we option this with the chase in table, so great place to put out a spread of food and then a couple cup holders on either side. I mentioned this before, but Harris does a really good job maximizing that center tune with storage. So you get a big ski locker here, and then this boat does come with a table, just depends on where you want to mount it, and we can do that for you here. And then at the bow, a lot of seating here. For a 23-foot tri-tune, you have a lot of room to move about. Again, armrest and cup holders on either side, tons of storage, built for entertainment. These boats are awesome. This is a 2024 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. It's here at our store in Rogers. Please give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.